Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the iterators section. This is the .findIndex method. We sometimes want to find the location of an element in an array. That's where the findIndex method comes in. Calling findIndex on an array will return the index of the first element that evaluates to true in the callback function. Here we have const jumbled nums to assign this array of numbers. We have const less than 10. And it's assigned jumbled nums .findIndex with each num being passed in, and we're returning the first num that is less than 10. Jumbled nums is an array that contains elements that are numbers. Const less than 10 declares a new variable that stores the returned index number from invoking .findIndex. The callback function is an arrow function that has a single parameter, num. Each element in the jumbled nums array will be passed to the function as an argument. Num less than 10 is a condition that elements are checked against. .findIndex will return the index of the first element, which evaluates to true for that condition. Let's take a look at what less than 10 evaluates to. If we log less than 10, we will output 3. If we check what element has index of 3, it is 5. Great, the element in index 3 is a number 5. This makes sense since 5 is the first element that is less than 10. If there isn't a single element in the array that satisfies the condition in the callback, then findIndex will return -1. Here we have const greater than 1,000. It takes in jumbled nums, applies findIndex. Each num will be passed in, and we'll try to return a num that's greater than 1,000. But since there isn't any, it will output -1. Instructions say invoke .findIndex on the animals array to find the index of the element that has the value elephant, and save the returned value to a const variable named foundAnimal. Let's zoom out and do that. Const foundAnimal is assigned animals .findIndex, where each animal is passed in, and it will return the index of elephant if it exists inside of our animals array. And since it does, it should return index 7. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says, let's see if we can find the index of the first animal that starts with the letter S. Call .findIndex on the animals array and return the index of the first element that starts with S. Assign the returned value to a const variable named starts with S. Let's do that now. Run it, and we do pass. And we could console log both of them to see the results. Run it, and we do get 7 for index 7, where elephant is. And we do get 3 for the index of seal, which is the first element that starts with S. So here we're learning the findIndex method will return the index of the first element that evaluates to true in our callback function. As long as you're understanding that, you get the findIndex method, and I'll see you in the next lesson.